How to draw an easy poster about Independence Day of India. Let's get started. At first, I have drawn all of the figures and other objects like the hill, like a human figure with a black marker. But I always recommend you to draw with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase on some point as your requirement. So follow the drawing and draw it easily, and our drawing is almost complete. Let's color! Color please! If you learned a little bit from this tutorial, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe my channel to watch more. Color the background with orange, yellow-orange as well as yellow. Don't forget to mash them as well as you can every time I said it, because blending of the colors will make your drawing so attractive and beautiful. So mash them properly. Here I had applied a technique, that is, I haven't the light yellow color, that's why I used first yellow and after that blend with white. And if you have the light yellow color, just use the light yellow only and do chill. But if you haven't the light yellow color, you can apply my technique. It's pretty similar to light yellow color. Now draw the hill with Prussian blue, green, grass green and yellow green. Blend them properly. If you are a new learner on my creation world, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Color the circles thing with only cobalt blue. Then color the beautiful national flag with vermilion, orange, green and yellow-green. Then color the proud man with the flag with black outliner and outline all the objects of the drawing, and yay, our drawing is complete. Don't forget to try this at home and hit the like button if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and if you new my creation world, then again subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.